I gotta come close for this. Guess what I got my hands on? It's the Kiehl's Advent Calendar, and I've never done one of these, but I've always wanted to. Let's get into it, like right now. I was shaking this all around, but when I opened this, I'm like, oh, look at that. OMG. Let's get into it. Okay, that's the Midnight Recovery Omega Rich Cloud Cream. Yeah, I've been wanting to try this. All right, next box. The Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. It's the Kiehl's Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. Yeah. Day 4. It's the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I didn't even know this existed. Okay. Midnight Recovering Botanical Cleansing Oil. Okay. Okay. Ah, Super Multi-Corrective Cream. Got a lot of minis. These are great for travel. So good. I think I might have this one. Ultra Facial Oil Free Gel Cream. I don't have this one. I am here for these little minis. For real. So cute. Another mini. Avocado Nourishing Hydrating Mask. I have it as an eye cream. Again, love. Ultra Facial Cleanser. It's a nice size. This is number 10, and I got the Ultra Facial Overnight Rehydrating Mask with 10.5% squalene. Oh, this is so cute. This is I have this. This is the Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. This works really well. I have the actual full serum of that. Love. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a creamy eye treatment with avocado. This I have, for sure. Can't have too many eye cream. Retinol Fast Release Wrinkle Reducing Night Serum. Oh, this is the truth. I have the full bottle of this. The truth. Period. Skin transformed. Number 14 is the Ultra Facial Toner. Yes. Need a toner. That's a good size. Great for travel. 15. Crème de corps. You know what this looks like. Yes. Very moisturizing. Alright, 16 is the Ultimate Strength Hand Salve. Ooh, what's that? For severely dry hands. Ooh, okay. Okay. The Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. I think this is what I actually have in a full bottle. I think this is this. I gotta go back and check. But I love the Retinol. Bomb. On the 18th day of December. It's a lip balm. Can't have enough of those. That's a nice size. Okay, 19th. Getting there. Ooh, a Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. I have that too, but in a big one, so this travel one is really good. Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. I've tried this too. Oh, you get 2 boxes in one. This is a real concentrate. You get it? No, this is so cute. 12.5% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This is so cute. Like, my skincare bag for travel is about to be elite. 21, 21, 21, 21. This is the Calendula Herbal Extract Alcohol-Free Toner. I do carry this. I do use this when my skin is like acting up, and you can see the herbs. It's very gentle on the skin. Nothing burns. It's really great for people who have sensitive skin. All right, this 22, favorite number. I was born on the 22nd month of the year. Ultra Facial Cream. This is a nice size. Legit nice size. This is bigger than a travel. This is almost 1 fluid ounce. Okay, cute. 23, Super Multi Corrective Eye Zone Treatment. Ooh, this sounds serious. For brow bone, eyelid, outer corner, and under eye. That's very interesting. I can't wait to try this one. All right, and this is the night before Christmas, 24. This is the Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. I've never tried this one before, but it looks good, and it's a big size, 2.5 fluid ounces. Like, can we get into that? Period. And we got through the whole calendar. This is what it looks like. The mad thing of getting all of these things back in here. I'm gonna still put it back in here, but I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to share this with you guys real quick, because if you haven't had this or tried any of the Kiehl's products, they really work well for our skin. I'm not even going front. It really works well. It's not a lot of things that really work well for my skin. She does a good job. Serums and all. Try it. Alright, see you in my next one. It was actually fun putting it back together. I'm such a nerd. I know.